What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. And did Binance actually accept the burn tax for Luna Classic is one of the main questions we're going to be talking about in this video. I think a lot of you know these videos already and watch them quite a lot. In that case, welcome. What we're basically going to be doing is going to be talking a little bit about the fundamentals behind Luna Classic, some of the news, but we're also going to be doing a technical analysis. Don't worry about that, because as you can see, we're entering a very interesting market structure, I think. But first, and that's the most important thing. Oh, wrong Luna. That's the most important thing for Luna Classic is fundamentals. And the main fundamental right now is the burn tax. Also a little bit of staking and validating, but mainly the burn tax. So right now the volume at 860 million, if the burn tax gets implemented in the best way, is still enough to burn through enough supply to actually reach higher prices. All right. It's just right now we're dropping because it's gotten a little bit silent around the fundamentals. I still think, my price target is 65,000. I still think we're going to get that. All right. That's also what I said in my previous analysis. In all of my previous analysis, I always said we would stay above 40,000, kind of consolidate and then get there. Right now, it's kind of looking grim. All right. We might actually get a bearish breakout through 40,000, but even if we drop down to 35,000, I still think 65,000 is very possible. But a little bit about that burn tax. KuCoin already accepted it, all right? The main party we need to accept it is Binance. Binance gives us the most volume, all right? Gate.io, Huobi are great to have on board as well, but Binance really gives us the most volume. Also, if you take with it Binance Turkey. Especially when that volume goes up again, which I think it will, especially when we get that second leg up. Especially when that happens, Binance just has the most volume. So Binance has been a little bit like unclear about what they're going to do. 4 days ago, and you all know this, what they said is that the tax burn will go live, but what they're going to, it's pretty weird, right? It's like the 20th of September, so it still takes some time. That's why I still think it's going to happen, because the fundamentals take some time. Some staking is going on the end of the month and stuff, so you just need to give it some time. But what I found weird about the Binance, what they said about it, and that's also the main reason why I think they're going to change that or like explain it a little bit more. What they say here is that it only counts for deposits and withdrawals. At least it seems like they're saying that. All right. While if you read the proposal, the burn tax that was proposed was actually on every transaction. So just the deposits and the withdrawals is not possible unless, all right, listen closely, unless they actually bridge it to the Ethereum network. All right, because then it gets a little bit, I'm not sure. See, it's a tax burn on the Terra Classic network. If Binance allows you to deposit Terra Classic using the Terra Classic network, but then wraps it to an ERC20 token, then you can just transact, it's kind of wrapped Luna Classic then. You can transact it on Binance, but they don't have to do the burn tax. They only have to do it for the deposit and the withdrawals, because that's the only time they use it for the Terra Classic network. Do you get what I'm saying? Because they'll just bridge it over to the Ethereum network. I'm not sure if that's what they're going to do. All right, because but that's the only way they would be able to only tax the deposits and the withdrawals of their platform. That's the only way, because if you would be able to trade Luna Classic on the Terra Classic network on Binance, they would need to tax every transaction. They would just need to. It's in the blockchain then. All right, it's set in the code. So to me, it's pretty weird what's going on. All right, it's I'm not sure. I think they're going to have to explain this a little bit further, and if they don't, it's really just going to be on the deposit and the withdrawals, which in my opinion, it's good. It's still bullish, but I don't think the price is going to react that bullish to it. Just honestly, if they don't implement it well, we might not see 65,000 again. All right, we might still get a rally up to 55 or 60 again with the validators coming in. but that wouldn't be great. So it's really waiting for that. In my opinion, it's very confusing because it really seems like they're just bridging it over to the Ethereum network and then bridging it back for withdrawals. But I will definitely keep you updated on that. Now let's take a look at the price real quick because this video is getting a little bit long. As you can see, as I said, the price isn't necessarily looking that great. It's basically two things that can happen. We have this triangle forming right here. This is a pretty valid triangle, all right? Pretty valid. And you can clearly see that we got a downtrend going on right here and a strong uptrend and a 200 EMA right here. So we can basically do two things. I don't think they really matter. I think the fundamentals are more important. We can basically close above 43,000. If we do that, we'll probably get up to 48,000 and stay in this consolidation until the fundamentals come in. Or we can actually find resistance at 43,000. And the main thing is that if we close below 39,000, then we'll probably take a break retest and drop down all the way to this 34,000 level. And then from there we'll see again. We'll probably consolidate from there. But tomorrow morning, obviously, I'll be back with another analysis to kind of explain that further. So don't worry about that. For now, that's my analysis and news on Luna Classic. A little bit of a longer video. Hopefully you don't mind. But for now, that's it. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening. I hope to see you all in my next videos. And if you want to discuss anything, if you have anything to add, do it down in the comments. It's very much appreciated. For now, though, thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you all tomorrow in the update. Bye.